it would rain, then the sun would come up, and we were all just fed up with the weather changing a lot. But I saw how beautiful it all was, and it made me think that maybe you know the good times are actually way more beautiful when the bad times come along, and it's a combination that really changes the bucket. So there is all in a famous line, though the light to one and far, when it's beautiful, all that is fine. The clouds play their part, they play and part. Against the fighting sun to reveal all that is his. The light and the darkness together, the strength in the combine. The crickets ricket, a chirpy refrain, in breaks between spells of rain. The birds fly by against the lilac. Oh, the joys of this intertwine. Light breeze, wash green, smell of fresh mud, heightened woods. The sun peeking at my page, the shadow that flits over the page. And though consistency in weather is all I crave, it leaves me with a sense that all is fine. And this experience made these words enshrine. Thank you.